girls, and welcome to Goran Guitar. Lauv here with Better Than This. Okay, so we have 4 chords here that goes through the entire song, and we have a little different rhythm going on here. I will explain that pretty soon, but first we need to look at the chords and the capo here on the first fret to have the easiest chords possible. So capo on first, and let's start with the F major 7. So that is 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have C major 7. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, open B, and open E. Then D minor 7. So that is open D, 2nd G, 1st B, and 1st E. And there I just bar the last 2 strings here on the 1st fret on the B and E string. And I'll just add a 2nd G, like that. And then we have the final chord, which is C here, but with an E in the bass. So that will mean I play a standard C with all strings incorporated there. So, and that will be open E in the bass, then 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Yeah, so F major 7 to C major 7 to D minor 7 and to the C E. Okay, so we have like this little strange rhythm going on. Not strange, it's just we need to separate the chords from each other because the F major 7 will be played in the same way as the D minor 7. And the C major 7 in the same way as the C E chord. So let's start with the first strumming. There will be 2 very similar strumming patterns. Let's start with the first one that goes for F major 7 and D minor 7. So it will be down, down, clap, down, up, down, down, clap. Okay? So it will be like this. Down, down, clap, down, up, down, down, clap. Down, down, clap, down, 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 clap. Okay? And that will work for F major 7 and D minor 7, like I said. Now for the 3rd or 4th time, let's look at the second strumming, and that will work for the other 2 chords, C major and C E. That will be like this: down, down, clap, down, up, down, down, clap, down, up. Okay, so this one I feel is a little bit harder to get, but you will get it, I'm pretty sure. So it will be like this again: down, down, clap, down, up, down, down, clap, down, up. So with C major, sounds like this. So the first part there, the down, down, clap, that means you don't have 2 fast downs, you have a short break between the 2 first downs. So it's down, down, clap, down, up, down, down, clap, down, up. So I believe that is the hardest part here for getting the same rhythm going on and the right timing for the song. Okay, so again, down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down. So with this chord progression, you will understand that we will play the first strumming pattern for the first chord, then you will switch to the C major 7 and play the second we just looked at, and then you go back to play the D minor 7 with the first strumming pattern, and then you play the last chord, the C E, with the second. So it goes back and forth. So If we think pair of chord here, if we look at the F major 7 to the C major 7, this transition will be like this for F major 7. Down, down, clap, down, up, down, clap, and then down. You shift to the C major 7 there. Down, down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down, up. Okay? So slowly, it will be like this from F major to C major. And the same goes from D minor to the C. Okay, so a couple of rounds of this chord progression with the standard tempo will sound something like this. So there you have it, Lauv's Better Than This. And with some practice, you can do much better than this I just played, because yeah, it's not that hard. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed and play tuned.